Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to connect TikTok to Facebook. The first thing we have to do is open up TikTok. Then once in TikTok, what we need to do is tap on the bottom right corner on our profile. Then once on our profile page, under our profile name, you'll see our username. Tap on that once. As you can see, the username is copied. Then we will close TikTok. Then we go to our app library and search for Facebook. Here is Facebook. Open up Facebook. Once on Facebook, we go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 lines button. And here a list of options will appear. We'll tap on the View Your Profile option. And once on our profile, what we need to do is select the Edit Profile button. And once here, we'll scroll down and we will see an option under Contact Info section that says Social Media. Tap on Social Media. And here we can add different social media links. I'm going to tap on Add. And then a list of social media options will appear. We will select TikTok. And then this page will appear. And as you can see, it requires a username. We will paste the username that we just copied. And then we will tap Next on the top right corner. And as you can see, our TikTok has been connected to our Facebook. To finish up, we will click on Save. And that's about it. That's how you connect TikTok to Facebook. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.